To personalize your home, you should have some sort of understanding of what you like. This can be anything from a specific color palette to a type of furniture style you love. Once you have an understanding of your personal style, it will be much easier to add elements that reflect it in your home. Number 1. Make a statement with furniture. Furniture is a great opportunity to make a statement. It can be a reflection of your personal style and taste. So don't be afraid to choose pieces that you love and that reflect who you are. Consider looking at flea markets and thrift shops for furniture, items that come with a bit of a story and charm. Number 2. Use decor and art to express yourself. Another trick to add personality to your living space is through art and decor. This could be anything from colorful throws and pillows to interesting sculptures and vases. Choose things that make you happy and that help create the kind of atmosphere you want to fill your home with. Again, think about what kinds of things reflect your personal style. Do you like bright and bold colors? Whatever you choose, just be sure to keep a consistent look. Number 3. Add accents with hardware, homeware and accessories. Finally, don't forget about even the smallest detail that can make a big difference in the overall feel of your living space. You can also add personality with homeware and accessories. Start by considering what kinds of things you love and that reflect your personal decor style. Do you like to cook? Then invest in some beautiful kitchenware or tableware. Are you a plant lover? Then add beautiful, lush greenery and flowers in unique vessels. From your light fixture to your cabinet hardware, towel bars, and even wall hooks, there's always opportunity to show a little bit of yourself. Add a personal stamp with these minor stylistic swaps and see what a difference it makes. Decorating detail doesn't have to be loud and in your face to have a big impact. Sometimes even just a few smaller swaps can make a big change to your space. Decorative accessories and unusual homewares are other items that add some big personality in a small way. Sentimental knickknacks, cool thrift store finds, and unique decor accessories can be great tiny items to put on display. It's all about finding the pieces that make you feel good and reflect your personal style.